Hello everyone! I would like to invite you for my course of playing the piano. During my course, I will show you how to play with the proper piano technique. I will teach you how to read the notes, both in the treble clef and in the bass clef. Then I will show you how to coordinate, meaning how to play with both hands, and I will give you many pieces of advice, and I will do many exercises with you. Then I will also tell you more about the dynamics, the articulation, and at the end of my course you will be able to play the piano yourself, which means you will be able to take a music sheet and read it on your own. So I invite you to sign up for my course and enjoy. Thank you.